Ever wondered if there's more to jellyfish than just a jellyish looking creature? Well, here it is. Here are 10 insanely crazy facts about jellyfish. Number 10. Some jellyfish can glow in the dark. If it ain't crazy enough that they look completely different from any other fish or sea creature, here's something even crazier. Some jellyfish have bioluminescent organs which emit blue or green light. The light emission is typically activated by touch, which serves to startle predators. This light may also help jellyfish in a number of other ways, like attracting prey or warning other organisms that a particular area is occupied. Number 9. Jellyfish are the oldest multi-organ animal. Jellyfish have roamed the seas for at least 600 million years. Yes, before dinosaurs or bony fish, before creepy crawlies or trees, before flowers or ferns or fungi, they were jellyfish. Number 8. Jellyfish don't have brains. Yeah, that's crazy, but not only that, they also have no blood, no bones, and no heart. However, they do have an elementary nervous system with receptors that detect lights, vibrations, and chemicals in the water. These abilities, along with a sense of gravity, allow jellyfish to orient and navigate in the water. Number 7. Some jellyfish are immortal. Ever dreamed about being immortal? The good news is that you can be immortal. The bad news is that you have to become a floating blob of jelly to do so. That's right, there's a death defying species of jelly conveniently called the immortal jellyfish or Turritopsis dohrnii, found in the Mediterranean Sea and in the water of Japan that's biologically immortal. Number 6. 150 million people are stung by jellyfish each year. That means in the few minutes or so it's taken you to watch the video this far, more than 1000 people have been stung by jellies. And some jellyfish sting can be deadly, like the Australian box jellyfish is considered the most venomous marine animal on earth. Its sting can cause paralysis, cardiac arrest, and death within a few minutes, barely enough time for a victim to swim to shore. Number 5. Jellyfish are almost completely comprised of water. About 5% of jellyfish bodies are made of structural proteins, muscles, and nerve cells, while the remaining 95% is water. Human bodies, by comparison, are up to 60% water. Number 4. Jellyfish aren't fish at all. Despite their name, jellyfish aren't really a type of fish. Fish are vertebrates that live in water and breathe through their gills. Jellyfish, on the other hand, are invertebrates, meaning they have no backbone and they absorb oxygen from water through membranes. Number 3. Jellyfish, the next king of sea. Jellyfishes have been reproducing in astonishing numbers, and the lack of complex physical features make jellies extremely adaptable. While the rest of the ocean creatures have been struggling with the global warming, jellyfishes, on the other hand, are actually booming in the heat, and in turn, it only led to rapid growth in their population. Number 2. Over 60,000 jellyfish have been in space. In 1991, over 2,000 jellyfish polyps were blasted into space to test how they react to lack of gravity. Those jellyfish have reproduced in space, creating over 60,000 jellies, but the space-bred jellies weren't able to function properly when they returned to Earth. Number 1. Jellyfish can clone themselves. Imagine if you could just split in half and create a second version of yourself. If you cut a jellyfish in half, the pieces of jellyfish can regenerate and turn into two new jellies. Now, isn't that incredible? Hope you enjoyed this video. Many more amazing animals videos on this channel. Hit that subscribe button to stay tuned.